All right, guys, look, the bike is actually getting worked on. What year is this one?
1972 CB750 Four. It's been in here and apart for probably, well, 6 months at least apart on this workbench, and we just got started on so many other things that we kind of left it in the on the wayside. Well, the other day, Jason and I were talking at night, just hanging out, and we said, why haven't we pulled that engine yet? And the next day, I came home and he had cleared out this whole area and was basically just standing here like, okay, let's do it. So here we go. It's no engine.
Nothing there.
And we've, at this point, disassembled it, taken the top end off, found the problem. This ring, this piston ring, the oil one is stuck. I mean, literally it's fused
in there.
And what it was doing was it was expanding unevenly and causing this thing to burn oil like a mosquito fogger. So,
which we might need around here, though.
Yeah, I just couldn't ride. When I'd go on rides, I'd tell people I'm just going to go in the back because it was embarrassing, first of all. But yeah, I have new pistons and new rings, all new gaskets set. So after the Sprite is back together, this is going back together. We just got the engine out of the CB750. So we have been needing to do this. The engine has had an oil, it's been burning oil for quite a while, well, since I got the bike. And so now all this is going to get cleaned up, and we are going to rebuild the top end of the engine. This is all the new gaskets. Going to put new rings and whatnot in it. So I don't know, we'll just throw this in as a little side project as I take this thing apart. This is a 72 Honda CB750. So stay tuned. Got the all the cam towers off. The cam is out. Here's the cam towers, the rocker towers. There's the cam. And over here we have nicely and neatly placed all the rocker arms and the little cam holders, or I guess you call them bearings, cam bearings. All that is set. That can't move. Those are supposed to go back right where they were. Looking inside the engine, really clean, nice. Everything looks really good. The oil has been changed on this bike over its life, it looks like. And also it doesn't have a lot of miles, only 11,000. So all the cam bearings are beautiful. Lobes are beautiful. It's just smoking. So we're going to go further. I'll show you what it looks like when we pull the head. So we found the issue. You can see here there's a lot of corrosion on this piston. Well, cylinder 1 is worse. Lots of pitting, lots of, you can't see it too good. That right there. Lots of pitting and corrosion here. A bunch of just residue and crap. Well, the main thing is this oil ring is stuck. Like, it's really stuck. I think it's sat a long time, and that's what caused it. You see these rings just move freely. You can bump them around, no problem. This one does, these move, but not this one, not at all. So it caused some damage. It may not be too bad. It may be able to be honed out, but there's some discoloration right here. Can't see it too much, but that's okay. So tomorrow we'll try honing the cylinders, and then I'm probably just going to go ahead. I already have new rings, but I'm going to go ahead and buy new pistons. I just honed the cylinders. You can see how shiny and discolored these are. And then you get over here and you see this is nice and dull. No reflection, and it's got a crosshatch pattern, which what that does is as the rings, the new rings go up and down, it breaks them in. It wears them into the cylinder and scuffs everything up in on the rings and makes it match. So this no good. That probably, I mean, it was running, but this won't reseat new rings. So this will, and gonna make those look like those.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell to let you know when new videos are live. How long have you owned this one? I know you've owned one like it before that was beautiful, like a museum piece.
That was a 74 model. I sold it in 2009, and wanted one again ever since. So I got this in 2019, I think it was, or 18.
And what year is this one?
72. It got not completely disassembled. We took everything apart, cleaned it, and it ran, but it always smoked. So that was the reason for this.
At the time, these bikes were ahead of their time, right?
Yeah, the CB750, it was kind of revolutionary and basically had the rest of the industry catching up. It's the first super bike, they call it.
It doesn't look like much now, but back in the day when this thing was new, everybody wanted one of these.
Yeah, and once it's back together, it cleans up beautifully, and it's just such a dream to ride.
Yeah. So keep an eye on the channel. We'll have more videos of this one. But until then, buckle up. You can't really buckle up on a bike.
Put your helmet on.
Put your helmet on and drive it.